Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see all voice messages on iMessage. All right, so before that, I would like for you to confirm one setting, okay? Go ahead over to your settings app right here, scroll all the way down, tap on apps. Now go ahead over to your messages right here. Now scroll down and find the audio messages section. Make sure that the expire option right here is set to never, as if it's set to after 2 minutes. When you open up a voice message, it will automatically delete by itself. Okay, by default, it is set that way by Apple. Okay, you'll have to turn this to never so that any voice messages will not be deleted automatically. Now, if you have set this one to never, here are some ways to check or see all voice messages on iMessage. So go ahead and open up a message or a contact right here. You can just go ahead and go to the top, tap on their profile picture. And then if you have the newer versions of iOS, you'll be able to see links and documents right here. Okay? And when you go ahead and tap on that option, you can go ahead and find the photo section. And if the audio file was officially saved, it will appear in the list. Another option, you could go ahead over to the search box at the very top. Just tap on it and type down the person's name. For example, this one, My Globe, right here. So you're going to want to tap on it. And then go ahead over to photo, and then you should be able to see the list right here, okay, of the voice message if it was officially saved. Now, another option is by going to settings. Again, go to settings. Now, go ahead and go to general right here. Tap on it and tap on iPhone storage. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, find the messages section. Just tap on it and then tap on. If not under photos, you'll be able to see it under the Others tab. Any unexpired audio messages taking up storage in your phone will be cached here, and it will be in a long list. There you have it. Those are the ways to see all voice messages on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.